So, today I have something very exciting to tell you. If it wasn't on the screen already, you could tell I have a new setup for my Highlanders. Bravo. So, here, explanation of the model. It's the Medea 5.0 with the P1000s. I believe it's a new model. I haven't seen the lights go from that many levels before. So it's on a Inkbird ITC 308. I do have a 608 model on my hand somewhere, but I haven't gotten to setting that up yet. So that's gonna hold off for now because it's fine as is. I do have this pole here that sets up the light, and I do have a fan here from AC Infinity down here. So yeah, all my Highlanders are in here. I have. Let's see if we can move this aside real quick. So here, if I can slip you guys in, there is Glabrata. Zoom in. Glabrata. It's technically too big for this place. It's already hopping out, so I just stuff it back in whenever I put the plexiglass back in. You can see there's actually been a mice in my tent, so I will probably not take a video of that until it's recovered. What else we have here? We have here Glabrata, Talangensis. It actually had a really nice bouquet of pictures forming up, and a mouse ate them all. So you can see here the damage. It's been done. I don't know if I can try to. I don't wanna. I can't zoom you in, but I trust you can tell. So yeah, that's sad. Next to it is Lingolata. It's doing fine. I'm surprised it even did okay. It got nipped up by the mouse as well, but it's doing fine. Gymnamphora, I think Ganang Talamanku or something like that. The whole entire growth point got ripped up. If you can tell, it actually got nipped off, and it's producing like a mixture of growth points. Looks about to be maybe 4 or 5, and there's one basil suit back there. Next to it, Nepenthes, Singalana Bellarine. Yeah, it's doing fine. I like the pictures a lot, but they keep getting taken. That's very sad. Next to it, classic Spatulata. A new picture here. Try to turn it up for you guys. I don't know if it's focusing. I can't tell. There we go. So, a lot of Osmicot was fed to that one. Nepenthes, no, Heliumphora. It's just Taiti Putella. Taiti, Putella. Oh, I think that turned off the freezer. Next to it is Teflaba. Falaba. Doing alright. Big leaf jump there. Well, pretty big. Newest picture, kind of a dunce. It's kind of hard to do. Oops. Let's see if I can move that aside. I've got to put you guys in the tent. So, okay. So this is Falava. You see the news picture here at the bottom. Kind of puny. Looks like a perfect circle, actually. Right next to it, Nepenthes ovata. Wait. Okay, sorry. Missed him. It's Nepenthes. I believe it's Alba by Gracillima. It could be Alba, but it's an empty clone or whatever. So yeah, that one it got ripped up by a mouse. So I think it's recovering. At least I hope it is. Okay, and then continuing off, we have Ovada. Really nice picture still. I don't know if I had this one last time. What? Oh, good lord, look at that. Ovada. Probably one of my favorites at the moment. And look at that. Already had the leaf jump. That one. And there's a picture forming right there. Next to that is Cerecia. Of course, Cerecia was once grouped up with Macfarlane up until I believe last year. So that was split up. Cerecia is not the one with the big hip, big tubby one. But you can see here, sure, tiny, this one, little tiny. I got this one way back at the BACPS meeting back in June. So that's from Plants That Eat. And here, my poor tentaculata. For some reason, this one got ripped to shreds by that mouse. That mouse really, wow. Even the stems all jacked up. Everything's jacked up from this one. So, I feel pretty bad. Yeah. Naturally, of course, in the center, we have Nepenthes hamata. Hamada is, of course, Hamada. It did, okay in the, what do you call it? Green grow tent. But you can see over the summer, leaves got a little bit smaller. But they made a comeback coming this winter. So hopefully now that I'm actually getting colder nights, which in fact I should mention is about I'm getting about 55 degrees at night, 90% humidity. At daytime, around 70, 80 degrees. So yeah, I should expect nicer pictures. Here's one that's forming. Here, a lot of the Hamada pictures last really long. In fact, I still have one of the first pictures I had with it when I first got it, which was around November, I think, or something. Well, yeah, there it is. There it is. You can notice that the pictures that were forming in the tent are deformed. That's because I believe humidity was not stable. Otherwise than that, the color is very nice. So I really like the color on that one. So hopefully the pictures are maybe a lot bigger. There's one. So I think this one's my favorite one. the egg-shaped one, the peristome, is shrunken in. I don't find Hamada to be a vigorous eater at all. Not quite as much as the other ones. But that is the tour. I'll hopefully have these plants happier. Perhaps even pictures big as my hand. See. What about her? That's really nice. Yeah. So yeah, that's the tour. I hope to see you guys next month. Maybe. Maybe not. Who knows?